Let's see how to generate leads just using Facebook comments. So I will show a live case study which I just saw on Facebook, and I will explain how to create the exact same automation to generate leads just using Facebook comments. So let me show the live case study or live demo which I just saw on Facebook. So here it's actually through Dan Henry's Facebook profile. So here is the post. It says my AI setup booked us 42 calls in less than 2 days. This was just today's calls. New clients are signing up daily. Who knew getting back to a lead in 3 seconds made that a big difference? Wanna try it out? Comment AIB. So directly this particular post has a CTA or call to action asking the people to comment this particular specific keyword AIB. And here is what happens. As you see, they have already generated over 750 plus leads just using one post. And when what happens is that when a particular person comment on this post as AIB, he actually responding like a DM comment reply, public comment reply, just shot your DM and also sending an automated DM in their messenger. So this is what happens. So I actually commented as AIB over here, and after I comment over here, I actually received a message, the exact message. It says, hey, you are reaching out to learn more about our deal engine software that combines AI and automation to get you more appointments and sales. Correct? So here this is actually this particular point of post, and if someone says yes, it simply provide great, here's the link to check it out. That's it. It's a very simple automation which sending them or traffic to the sales page which they have already built over here. So this particular sales page already has all the information including the client testimonials, reviews, and all the case studies by using their software. So here they have this kind of information to book a call, I guess, or submit the details over here. So it says apply now to Atlas Uprising. So basically it's a kind of application form they have at the end of this particular landing page. So we just actually showed how this actually works. So basically the idea is to get people to comment on a specific post and send the automation. So now I'm going to explain how to build the exact type of comment automation using our Charik Media platform. So let's get started over here. So here we have to go to tools over here to get the access to the Facebook comment automation. It says Facebook comment automation. So here we are going to use this particular comment automation. So let me open that one. So it says Facebook comment automation, get more customers, increase sales while saving your time by automatically replying to Facebook comments. So let me add a new Facebook comment automation. So let me Dan, just name is as Dan, because we are going to create the same kind of automation like they actually did. So just to show you everything is possible. So here you can actually select a specific post. So most probably they have selected only this particular post. So likewise in our post in our page we can actually select whatever the post we want to create the automation on. So when you can even select a few ads or also reels as well. So if I go to publish post, we can select whatever the post we want to automate the DMs. So here what I can do here is that just to keep things simple, I can simply on all post and private reply to comment. So in this case he actually sent us a message, as you see here, the first message block, and after I tap yes, he actually sent me another message. So we have to actually create a new flow over here so that that can be used as the flow, and we have to select that particular flow. So I will show how to create that flow in a minute. And in terms of public reply, he actually respond to our comments, all the customers comments, just like this, just shot your DM. So we can even improve this kind of responses. So instead of just replying to each of these customers with the same comment public reply, we can actually have different kind of automation or automated public comment reply as well. So here I said one, but if you actually add any other kind of variations of these kind of comments, what will happen is that you can actually respond to the customers comments randomly, so it will actually looks natural and save you as well. So let me send you a DM sent. So just few variations to improve the automation which we actually showed in the demo. And what happens is that when the comment equal to a specific keyword, so I can simply use the same keyword just for the demo. And here we have different options as well. For example, you can even like the user comment as well. Let's see if they have liked it. I don't think he has that automation to like the comments over here. So it's a different person trying to like these kind of comments. So we can even set the automation to like the comment. So basically it will like the comment, add a public reply, and also send a message. And we can even set time delays as well. So let's say if you want to send immediately, you can set as immediately. Otherwise you can set like random within 3 minutes, so that particular kind of automation will be triggered within 3 minutes. But for the time being, let's just choose immediately over here. Keep in mind we have to create a private reply to the comment, so which is the DM type of thing which we received when I actually comment on that particular post. So we can actually save this one and later come back to this same place and update the flow over here. For now, let me simply save this one, and it's actually inactive. Let me go to the flow builder over here and create that particular kind of automation, and after that we can actually use that automation as well. So click on Dan. So let me simply name the flow as Dan, because I want to simply just duplicate what they have actually created. So because I want to choose this message, simply copy this message and add content text over here, and here they have this yes button, and when they tap the yes button, so I can add the yes button over here, yes button, and when they tap the yes button over here, I want to send the next message. So here, this is the next message. Great, here's the link to check it out. That's it. It's a very simple automation. And text, let me delete this one. Check it out. And here the button title is click here. And when they click here, it will take them to this particular website address. So let me add, click here and open website. You can even track whether the particular customers are clicking this particular link, those kind of things, by adding the tag. So I'm not going to do this at the moment, just for the demo. And click here. So this is ready over here. So here we have to do one more thing. Just choose omnichannel, and instead you can actually choose this Facebook comment reply over here. Choose that one because this is a Facebook comment reply, and save it. And now we can actually go back to the Facebook comment automation and choose this as the flow. So the flow name is Dan. So let me go to Facebook comment automation over here and click on Dan, and here for the private reply I want to choose Dan and click save. Now we have actually created this Facebook comment automation. Let me activate it, and just for the sake of so this is the keyword. So if someone comments this AIB keyword, then this automation will be triggered. So I'm now opening Chatic Media page, and I'm going to add a comment AIB over here and see what happens. So I have just added a comment AIB on Chatic Media page, as you see here, and it should actually send us an automated DM as well. So let's and see what happens. So already it actually sent us over the DM over here, and as you see here, it says just showed your DM, and I actually received this message: hey, you are reaching out to learn more about these kind of things. And if I click yes, it will actually send the next sort of message. Great, here's the link. So we just duplicated what Dan Henry has did for his promotion, but actually it's just a simple flow. That's likewise, actually you can actually promote whatever the offers you have. Like you can actually ask people to register for the masterclass webinars, you can offer them free lead magnets, or even you can offer free discounts or like free discount codes to the customers who actually comment specific kind of keywords. So that is how this comment automation works, and how you can actually generate more leads just using Facebook comments. Thank you.